How fast you gonna go?
Fast as it could go.
All right, let's see then. Four-wheel drive, son.
The family farm is what America was built upon. Talking about the ones that really getting it from the dirt, to live off the land, for the land to take care of you and yours.
What you think?
I think we got some.
Oh yeah, that's all right.
This part of the country, we describe it as the Mississippi Delta. Very rich soil, sandy loam, high in nutrients, micronutrients.
We as a family farm roughly 4,000 acres. Go corn, cotton, soybeans, rice. Corn is my favorite crop to grow. Yes. This corn look very good.
Healthy.
Good, healthy corn. Oh yeah, I'm very pleased with it.
We looking good this year, you know.
We try to save every dollar we can by doing the work we can ourselves.
I love working with my family, especially my brothers. I don't think it's work.
We really love each other, and that's what it boils down to.
We know it's a business, we know it's a job, but at the end of the day, it's just life to us. And we are proud to be American farmers.